Welcome to RVista, your all-in-one RV trip planning application. You're ready to create your trip. Find the plus sign or the Create Trip button to get started.
You'll begin by naming your trip and picking the date you want to begin. Select Upcoming Trip as the trip status, creating an active trip visible in the Upcoming Trips section of your home screen. Next, choose your starting point, which can be a stay or custom location, and a start pin will mark the spot. Now, where to go? Enter a campground or any other location in the United States you are interested in. You want to select which vehicle you'll take on this journey. If you haven't created a vehicle profile, you can enter it manually here. This step is important for RV-safe navigation. Your routing and driving settings follow. Here, you'll choose what you prefer to avoid out on the road, and enter your driving preferences for RVista to calculate your driving radius. You can make additional notes about your trip here. Then select Create Trip to save all the information. RVista will suggest 2 routes. The options allow you to roughly decide how you want to approach your destination, for example, from the north or south. Don't worry, you can tailor your route, and it will adjust as you select stays and interests for your journey. Select Save Trip, and you've done it. You're ready to begin exploring all the stops and adventures along the way. The next video will help you explore stays and interests to build your adventure. Thank you for being a part of the RVista community. Happy planning!